Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Throughout Monday, we stayed with lots of storm clouds drifting into eastern South Africa, resulting in scattered and widespread thunderstorms across Limpopo, Gauteng, and parts of the northwest. The storms have been less intense across KwaZulu-Natal. We stayed with clear skies across much of western South Africa, but later on in the day, we started to see a bit of cloud creeping into the south coast. Now, tonight, you can expect light rain showers over the southeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We will continue to see isolated to scattered and widespread thunderstorms across the eastern provinces. Just a bit of cloud will continue to cover the south coast, but it's going to stay dry over these parts of the country. The rest of the country is going to be seeing fine weather throughout your Monday night. On Tuesday, it's going to be mostly sunny across the western and central parts of the country. Rain showers will continue across the southeastern areas of the Eastern Cape, and we're expecting isolated to scattered thunder showers across Limpopo, Gauteng, the eastern parts of the northwest, and the northern parts of the Mpumalanga province. Tonight, you can expect widespread and scattered thunderstorms in the areas you see the dark shade of blue and the shading of purple across much of Limpopo, Gauteng, the eastern parts of the northwest, as well as much of the Mpumalanga province. The chance of precipitation is going to be smaller as we go towards KwaZulu-Natal and the southeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We have a warning in place for localized flooding tonight across the Limpopo bushveld areas, the eastern parts of the northwest, as well as the west rand of the Gauteng province. Light and variable winds are forecasted tonight across the bulk of South Africa. However, a southwesterly is going to continue along much of the south coast. Then on Tuesday, southeasterlies are forecast for the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. A southeasterly breeze is also forecast across much of the Eastern Cape, and we're expecting southwesterlies to set in along the west coast. It's going to be rather chilly tonight around Sutherland, temperatures dropping to 6 degrees, much warmer for Appington with a minimum of 18. The same for Kimberley, Mahikeng, and Polokwane. Rather warm for Pretoria and Mbombela, dropping to 19. A warm night is also forecast for Richards Bay and Durban, fairly comfortable for Bisho and Port Elizabeth with minimums in the mid-teens. Similar temperatures are forecast for Cape Town. It's going to be sizzling hot on Tuesday afternoon around Appington, shooting to 38, a bit cooler for Kimberley, 34 for Bloemfontein, highs in the upper 20s across much of northeastern South Africa. We're expecting a warm to hot day across the KwaZulu-Natal province, highs in the mid-20s for the southern parts of the Eastern Cape, but it's going to be hot as we go towards Graaff-Reinet. Cape Town is going to warm to around 28 degrees. We are going to see light rain on Wednesday around Port Elizabeth and East London. Thunder showers are forecast over the northeast. Then on Thursday, we are going to see unsettled weather across much of the interior, light rain for George and Port Elizabeth.